Akan TV, the internet, the bell, subscribe for more.
Yo, ebusianfo emobibia akwaba eba yedwumedi atu din se che wadwene bibia mekase so yetwia mpo Nyankopon eye wadom no ma adechipa echew na wo sori na moja edi afusan wo mu na kachama da bodwuma na odi asida ama otwia mpo Nyankopon esan se atiasefo ena beda na se wunye wupe wonye Nyankopon ni asida biem enti etiasi ya yewon kwan ya moja de afusan wo mu yan fast da mo twira mpo Nyankopon ni en kanten se eja wo soro udin ho nte wahindie mra ni awopɛ enya asase se ne ye wo soro me de aduane nde na fa ye naka free en se na difi wona wode ye naka en fa ye nkonsohwe jemfo osefo nsem wo na ahindie enumunyam tumi nyina ya wodua ene ye ntina sese ne de nyinara wo doba Jesus ayekunu okava dimu aduminti amen we ene mpaya Yesu Kristo okire yen mra oba beko se yembo enu nti yabo mpaya we no ene de eche wadwene asemben ene ye ba beche ya adwene me am de dwumedi ebra mu bidin e de Bentel Robert from director 2 a onya mistake ene de yi che wadwene ye be kasa afa nsema aba ekoso a ejintre han a minum se mofie mu munyuma mu momonten so mo discuss eye yenya bema Shatawale any Stonebwoy nsensem yayi na no na last week de betu dwa asam si ye na no ye ba za Ghana for enche o madwene ampa Ghana for de osia yoyo obia de bi obia no o kire na adwene na ye koda ko story ye enede de aban se ya ban Stonebwoy ni Shatawale enam nsensem a course o VGM course 2019 na do na hu ni se enam omoso emadwumedie no anye yi na se dwumedie no ambewe ye pa ne santi e wo se ye ban ne omo emewe mfi se asem ne bae no aban emra eche Stonebwoy ne Shatawale esan se Stonebwoy etwitu Shatawale se ekọ distract Stonebwoy ema ne twitu etuo ni mu na no asem ne kopie court ne kopie court no eho ena court e de ba se yemfa sika 500 million tiskene ento obi etre so no mun san bond se enyama sema e course na se enyen sema e course o VGM 2019 no enya de ombe yebiem ne santi Stonebwoy ne Shatawale obia ba na chita fa be kasa se omo pasumdie enso hono ma chata house a wo hwe se dwumedi ne nkoso a wo pa abedwafo a omo issue statement se omo abane Shatawale any Stonebwoy for some years omuntumi perform e was dwumedi as na so omuntumi take part e wo Ghana Music Award emu eno ena ne de person wo che wa adwene se aso eye ejina ye a Chata House esie se Stonebwoy ene Shatawale ye mo perform e VGM biem no woni omoye adwene ana na ebeboa ama Ghana ye entertainment industry no akonkan ana emewe mfi se na anu ye bra asamoja na Ghana o ye sanhene wo Blaster issue bi si oni ye coach Kwesi Appiah ntem ama Kwesi Appiah issue statement bi man ama asamoja ene ni manager be tu dwa se wa resign every international football e ba sa no ye papa na Akufo Addo mu se ebedi Ghana football nya enu nti papa Akufo Addo ne asamoja enya akasasie ama nda asamoja agya tumu se ampa ono na kan ye se ombo biu na nso agya tumu so besan abo enu nti Ghana fo be na esun se entini scientist na Akufo Addo nim se asamoja free ball bomu a ball be ko for sense edin a wenya wo ball mu ene ni contribution o come to ball mu esun nti papa ene asamoja akasa kama ama akomatoi ma ba mantia say edwuma esi a list ba ye asamoja di wo mu bia okwakosi akan e o AFCON 2019 be ko so e o Egypt eno ena Ghana for do na e cancer da bi Akufo Addo etumi ahwe ama asundue aba asamoja ne Blaster ntem asamoja kwakosi akan dia adenti ena Stonebwoy ene Shatawale omo so edi akontiri omo so edi akotene pa wo Ghana entertainment industry mu ye ba na nwum to mu ansan se ende omo ena ododo na eti omo na dodo na di omo achi because Stonebwoy ene Shatawale ye yi omo free agro we mu agro no ebegu eno nti Ghana na Akufo Addo nka on fresh a mnante mienu na nkonyo omo nka nka omo num asundwe ebua sebe ya oman no entertainment industry na ebe cause sense omo no free mu a dwumadi no ebeto sin ye miewem se no so di sika ebo man mu se football is sika ba ema ne sante asamoja free na se enye yedi a ewo se Shatawa ni Stonebwoy so no na kufu afro no ne omo kasa ne ye mo no asundwe bua se ne be ya oman no ndebe industry no so ebe koso e ho so be se odi wadwenkyere eba Ghana ni badwumadi eje kye wadwen adwenkyere a aba ne de eye Charterhouse a omabane Shatawale eni Stonebwoy bibisa se ebeboa ama Ghana ntimi industry ne akoso ana na kufu ale so otumi ahwe esiesi asamoja ne blaster ntemu de a adenti enna Shatawale ni Stonebwoy onhwe nsiesi ema omienu ntumi nkambom na asundwe mbe sanse ewiase nyina akra no yesi efa asundwe enu nti ena yate UN sebe ya asundwe beba ewiase nyina ntem na die nti na nipa ntem ntumi mprema asundwe emba enti eno so no epese ode wadwenkyere eba na yaje branya kenkan ema afi no kwa no na no na obi kan se Stonebwoy ene Shatawale issue yaba na say the best Charterhouse between the aba na say wa bandi omo a ene ma omo so enka hwe omo nya din na ada omba be ya VGM biem na say next year VGM no ada na omo VGM na no Stonebwoy ene Shatawale so organize omo program ewo ebia Kumasi Sports Stadium na say Accra Sports Stadium ni enhwe dia nipa ebedi akire the sense Charterhouse epentem ebu attend do issue na ba ye no eja yi na enum se ye nuanu mienu ntawanta o muntem tinanka be ye better se mo be sisi o muntem dan se mo de gina esun se beba se mo abande o mo afiri mo dwumadie mu enu nti ama nseme na ekoso enu so be pesa o de wadwenkyere ebeba the sense o man Ghana no wo wadwen na me madwen na ma o man no ekonkan na me de manu be we ye no adwenkyere aba na anu e de tu dwa se Shatawale eni Stonebwoy Ghana mpenufo ni bi ehye omochi ema ye kodi Ebra Sam George a ye MP o ni ngo pram ye Ebra Sam George no wiem so ne bebe 2 ye papa ye frɛ no Yiti Mensa a na wa ye Matusala ewo parliament onomo Sam George issue ba ye no obo Stonebwoy aba so se we di ne mema sem se otumi twintuo ewo Shatawale so ema ye de ho ba se Ghana ni che adwenkyere na ba ye no ye nje benekin kan kakra we adwenkyere eba ye ewo ye Facebook page ye account TV on YouTube and the Facebook page you know ye ba ye ni ye nua Emmanuel Appiah say why most of Ghanaians support Shatawale. This Shatawale is becoming too arrogant and he must to be put stop to whatever he's doing. And then they are on the by here. Samuel Owusu say yes, nice program, keep it up. Account TV all the way. Mary Yeboah say I sometimes wonder why Stonebwoy looks calm but he acts unmaturely. Message mode by my home take he acts unmaturely mean tisabo for premature no person can. Stonebwoy should know that he is not the only person in Ghana, so he must calm down. You hear that? Adwa Benewa, he says, yes, Shatawale has met his meter. Stonebwoy should have fired him. He will see fire now. You enjoy that? Eugenia Asamoah, or say, I'm sending it from UK. I wonder why Shatawale is becoming unbecoming. Why is it the only one in Ghana? Shatawale must know that he is not the only one in Ghana, so you should keep quiet. You hear that? Say, Grace Simpson. Grace Simpson so say yes, Stonebwoy all the way. SM you are down now. Okay, Shatawale SM. You hear that? See, Sandra Opoku so also the free Belgium. Sandra Opoku was say, why are you backing Stonebwoy? Stonebwoy is greedy, so don't patch in yatem film. Someone Stonebwoy, you know, when they are joined for adventure, no matter the year in film. Timinia Sandra, no, Ignatius Balfour, or say, Stonebwoy, you are the best. Stonebwoy, you are all round. Nobody in Ghana is best singer than you. You hear that? Kofi Abo say, why these two boys cannot copy from Sarkodie? Look at how Sarkodie behave. Sarkodie is senior. I salute Sarkodie. you that she was sacred and I know correct as a sacred dear only class into your crown you're trying to push because I don't know of course you won't be that. Last but not the least, menu Yabua Caprice is one many Yabua Caprice or say why do you always bring issue on these two people? Leave them and think about Ghana. Some people don't get water to drink, school to attend, food to eat, and you're always discussing about Stonebwoy and Shatawale. My friend, find something better to do. You hear that? And also can't be. The son says Stonebwoy and Shatawale, no. Yeah, buy is a copan to Kwabaya, and Kawu school now, all cano. And a Jumana Union and Kebab and then cause and you might know, as I say, I did talk about no. I knew you can Stonebwoy which it out for Shatawale Chavanta, send you say, but as in I am Shang, Kanya, and Swanoa. That you work with beer, your son and ye, never coffee or uni upper. We here by a court to me or down, a chamber we are the original home, with us and your school, no quan in your man, or my still bamboo swing here, with your mum no bamboo now. The Lucas to cry or Cambridge cry and Obagana, why not the baby be abuano. And until security idea was a penny panty, you know me anyway, so my baby say, yeah, your own can say, we are gonna no child in your torture, you know who dear or man echo. Timinia, we know ya doing an answer, and you will soon and come once. Last one, Philemon Kojo, or say, nice program, keep it up. But why don't you talk about Ghana movie industry? The movie industry is sinking. But we're also talking about music industry. You, my brother, we all know the problem we are facing the movie industry. We've been talking about it day in and day out, and yet the problem keep on sinking. And I know one day it will rise. The problem is the challenges they are facing in the course of buying the movies. You know, of late, movie producers produce movies and then we will send the movies to the market, then fellow Ghanaians will buy. These days, they are no more buying. So we are looking at other alternatives whereby our movies will be sent to, you know, we are in a digital world. So these days, our movies have to be put on digital platforms like apps, like websites, like YouTube and other digital platforms, so that whenever you go, you can access the movie and pay something. So the movie is still on course. We are still shooting. The industry is not collapsed, but just that we are facing a little bit challenges, and I know by God's grace one day the industry will rise again. The last time I was talking to our brother Ejako, and Ejako made a lot of emphasis. Even he himself has his app, that is Ejako apps, whereby almost all his movies, his comedies, his programs are put on Ejako's app. So whenever you access this Ejako's app, you can still enjoy Ghana movies. The industry is still booming. Just that the buying of the series is no more functioning. But yet we are looking at another alternative. So the industry will rise again. Ebusian for na yedi asen bewe ye no. Blaster. Yeah, Papa Kusiapia when name the 29-man squad yedi omo eko AFCON 2019 because so Egypt no. No and a captain sem na ba ho. Nanka also here brass and na elidi and edieko. And so and now in the fitness level nti you say on mumu onye general captain. Na the day are you Morgan enkonkoye ye nyina no the captain obegina park na so aboyama dwumedie na akonkan eno na dodo na eche o madwene wodo so ye Ghana ne ba che wadwene se aso eye se the day are you enye captain prempren on fe nko akon ne nkonkoje ana say strength and maintain ye brasa moja sasa moja nso wakonkoden e de abo man Ghana ye football kanko enso betunu wadwene kira aba nti ne kura wadwene chani na ne se Stonebwoy en Shatawale nsensem no Charterhouse at the tabuana say at the ban. I'm on me and say, Omudino until further notice, no, Omun take part BM. When you Charterhouse air, so Moses said, na the general Moses, I know Yadin Dodo. Now, Ozu say, a Babua Amanco for no, Omudio Mundi as Ghana for an Akonkan. The best how Ghana entertainment industry, music industry, nana, for adventure, for bra. Nan a BM Susono, no crack, no, as a Mojan. Nana Kufuado afre na akasa ama wateze oba bebo ye ball no enti na Kufuado ebeye se oba first Stonebwoy ene Shatawale ene omo akasa na ban na de atom so ye from so motuma di omuduma na akoma bobu na asundwe aba oman Ghana na for adwenche no fafa 0247 162901 0247 162901 aye WhatsApp afa so video ya wo hwe no YouTube ya Akan TV ya for adwenche fa so ye beje bene Akan ne kwakwa na ye Facebook page ato ne say Akan TV on YouTube Akan TV on YouTube so do adwenche no fa so a ye beje bre Akan na me ko no mesega na ne bia say oh my Ghana e me no mi no ye dia ena de bia me ka say adwene ohoi eni ba ko fotirim wo adwenche me ma adwenche ena bua e ma oh my Ghana e kon kan ti asem bi say ba bebi bia wo Ghana bia na say ye Ghana ne ma pa no kon ade for adwenche fa bra ne nkenkan ne hu say asem ne ba ye no nipa bi nipa si che o ma adwene e ma o man no e kon kan no man no e be kon kan agya me no mi no so penifo se nkwan ye da eta no ese binum dwumadie eye kama anase ankoyi a betu no adwenche so aba ye beje bre ne de atudwa mo bi ehu so adwenche me din Eddie Benti Robert benye dwumadie ahwe e wa Akan TV e wo YouTube ya nyame nso bibia no bibia ndwena adwene pa no bibia nya dwumaden fa mbo o man Ghana no man Ghana enkonkan na ya ye die ye ni o man bia ka o man Ghana nto man ye ye a e na wo so a wo hwe me so no be ye ye ndi obi bia ase da sende e be sen hia.
Akan TV, the internet, bro. Subscribe for more.